What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you would get into a Ford Edge, just in case your key fob will go dead. I mean, your battery will go dead inside your key fob. If you look at your key fob, you'll see like a little piece right here that you can press in. Once you press that in, you'll actually have a key that'll come out. Then if you look at your door handle, if you look at the bottom up underneath there, you want to kind of take this little key fob right here, the little key part of it is a little square hole. You want to just press in that hole just gently, and when you do that, its cover will come off of it. And now what you'll be able to do is take your keys, in case your door is locked, and actually use it to actually open up your door to get inside of your vehicle. And once you're inside of your vehicle, now I'm going to show you how you will actually start your vehicle, because remember, this key fob is dead, so it's not going to work the normal way. Alright, so now that you're inside of your vehicle, that you got the key fob in your hand, what you want to do next is you want to open up your middle console, just like that, and you want to look down inside of there, all the way down in the front of it. You'll have like a little, can I get a better angle for you? Yeah, all the way down there like that, you'll see this piece right here, the little tray that's right there. What you want to do is take your key fob with the key ring part of this facing out, and you just want to take it and you want to set it. You'll see in a second. You want to set your key fob in there just like that. I got it set inside of there with the ring part of it facing out. And once you put it inside of there like that, now what you want to do is go ahead and press your brake and start your vehicle just like that, like you normally would, and you'll be good. And of course, once you get a chance, you want to go ahead and change that key fob battery out of it. That way you can get back in your car the normal way. So, and then also, once you're done, when you're putting your little your cover back on, you want to make sure you put it on the right way. All right, so once you pretty much got everything done, you want to go ahead and put your cover back on. You want to put your cover on a certain way. You want to put the back end right here on first. So you want to slide it on this way first with the back end. Then after you do that, you want to snap the front just like that, and that pretty much is back on. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would get into your vehicle as well as start it up, just in case your key fob battery had went dead on a Ford Edge. It's probably the same for about the 2015 all the way up to about the 2022. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.